This video will show you how to use the basic extension tools in Screencastify. In Chrome, when you click here on the Screencastify extension, you will see this window pop up with a few different options. Let's go through some of them now. This button will take you to the Screencastify website, showing you all of the recordings that you have done. Also note that these videos can be found in your Google Drive, but we will go over that in another video. If you have notifications from Screencastify, those will be here. This cog shows some of the advanced settings. You normally don't need to change anything here. When using the Screencastify extension to record, you have a few recording options. The first option here is a browser tab. If you are recording with a browser tab, this means that you are recording one single tab and only that tab. Even if you click and look at other tabs, Screencastify will not record those tabs or programs that you might open. The next recording option is your entire desktop. That means that Screencastify will record any programs that you open or tabs that you switch to. When recording in a browser tab or the desktop, you can enable an embedded webcam, and that's done right here. What an embedded webcam means is, well, you may have seen this in other videos where you see a person showing you their computer screen and a little window somewhere on the lower right or left of their face. To turn that on, you just click here. If your device has multiple cameras, you can select which camera to use from this drop-down menu here. The last option for recording through this extension is Webcam Only. This option will not record your computer screen. And just like the embedded webcam option, you can choose which camera to use for your recording. All three options give you a microphone selection. You can turn the microphone off or on for recording. If your device has multiple microphones, you can select which microphone to use from this drop-down here. Now, you might have been noticing that the entire time I've been speaking, this green bar has been going up and down. That is telling me that Screencastify is picking up what I'm saying. Depending on the quality of your mic, it may also pick up background noise. To adjust how much your mic is picking you up, simply click right here on the microphone. You'll see this pop up with this slider. And notice that I can adjust the slider. The default is usually set to here. But Screencastify says that you want to be within the green to the yellow and avoid any orange and red. Notice with the default, you're getting that orange and red. So if I click and drag on this little dot, it will adjust this level here. The next option that you have is this Show More Options. When we're in the webcam setting, I can change my countdown. I like to set my countdown to about 5 seconds because the countdown means how long Screencastify will wait before beginning to record. On the browser and the desktop tab, you also have this Show Drawing Tools. This will show up and be available for use if you enabled the annotation tools. Now, sometimes you'll see that you can't actually use those drawing tools, and it's based on whatever tab you are on. For the browser tab, I also have the option to include the audio coming from that tab in my recording. And the desktop tab allows system audio, which is any sounds that would be coming from my computer. However, keep in mind if you're not using headphones and your volume is on, your mic will probably pick up these sounds anyway. The quality might not be that great. It just depends on your mic. And that's it for the basic tools. Check out the other videos for more information and helpful tips.